Hello. Currently at the GYM. You already know what's up. It just started raining, but today my goal is to not overdo it. I did kind of my long run yesterday, so today I'm kind of just gonna do a little light workout, a light run. I will go outside, but it's raining, babes. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna go inside right now. I don't know what music to listen to anymore, because I'm so over like all the music, and sometimes I'll just like watch a YouTube video while I run, or I'll do nothing. But I'm trying to do this thing where like I skip, like mid-run. This is me running, and then skip. But like, I'm trying to tell myself that like, no, you only have like 3 skips, and then you can't skip. Do you actually hear that though? That's actually the rain. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. If you don't, I will. Okay, this is bothering me. Why is this not? Ooh, it's... Okay, we're gonna have to start all over. Ah! I literally ripped it. I ripped the jacket. Bitch, I ripped it. But like, why couldn't you behave? Like, why couldn't you work? Okay, there we go. Do you guys actually hear that? It's actually rain. It's raining so hard. Now it's making me think like, should I even go? Should I leave the house? Yes, I will. I can't let the rain stop me. I just have to be very cautious, and then I just can't. I don't want to stay out too late. Only because like once it gets dark, it's already kind of dark, right? Once it gets dark, babe, the lines on the roads, can't see her. Like with the water splashing, and then the lines that the tires make, and then on top of that, the gleaming lights, babe. What's going on?
I never came to the shore until the sun with my feet in
careful,
the
careful,
sand.
careful.
Get out here floating and sometime next to you.
And for what? And for what? But the thing is, and it's a weekday. And these big ass trucks, dude, no way. Awesome alone next to you in Malibu. There's literally legitimately a whole entire hole. I ripped it because I got mad it wasn't going on. I have decided what I'm going to do. We came to a consensus, bucko. So I've decided that instead of leaving this vicinity, I'm gonna be staying indoors today. Yes, I am. Instead, I'm gonna go shower up, get a face mask on, get my food, my coffee. Woo! And tomorrow, a brand new day. Do you want to know how innovative I am? Do you see that painting right there? It's not even a painting. Do you see that? Do you see that right here? Do you want to know what it's hanging on by? A thread. You wish it was a thread. It's not even a thread. It's literally a mask. Look at this. Look at this. You see how innovative? I'm literally so innovative. I literally put a mask behind here. I put mask. I tied it. I put it up here. Put it on the thingy and put a bow on it. And you couldn't even tell. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see? Okay, in all actuality though, we do have tasks to complete, things to do, lives to live. So I'm gonna roll my body out real quick. Roll out. I'm gonna take a shower. Shower hour. Oh my god, it started raining. Look at all my hairs. Well, maybe I should do a hair mask today. Why is this not turning? Okay, Bucko, I'm gonna go take my shower and I'll be right back. Back after my shower. Shower. I'm gonna go take my shower. Bye. I can see clearly now the rain. Ah! Headphones, no headphones. I mean, I'm gonna be in the environment. I'm gonna be present in that moment. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so cold. It's the clouds, look. The clouds look so pretty. Oh, that's such a... Have you ever like did a shitty parking job? Because that's literally me at the moment.